First coach is always for the women. First coach I think, yes. And I'm waiting for the train. It's there written 1 minute to go towards Kashmiri Gate. And here I am at Kailash Colony station. And there you can see the train come in. Crawling slowly with 6 coaches. There, it's already there. Look at that. Slowing down, and you will see this coach. It's 1918 Kashmiri Gate. That's the driver. This is an all-women's coach.
This station is Moorachand. Doors will open on the left. Please mind the gap between the platform and the train.
The doors open, people come in. Reached our destination, Lajpat Nagar. That's the mirror out there. In a minute the platform clears. You can see that. Now we'll wait for the next train. Let me see the train go. Run by electric. Look at that. Delhi Metro going to Kashmiri Gate, and I've got down at Lajpat Nagar station. So I just got down at Lajpat Nagar. So this is for women only to enter, and this is the map towards Kashmiri Gate. That's it. So the pink line here. Another one has just entered. Wow, there's another one coming, going towards Kashmiri Gate. Celebrating 75 years of progressive India, it says. So ladies are coming out. Not many going in, not many coming out. There we go. Inside you can see. There's the driver. Okay.